Hey, what's up everybody? This is Elijah. What is today? Today is August 15th, 2019. It's my sister's birthday. But coming at you again with some trade reviews. So, first things first, I saw CSCO. Look at this. 15-minute, this is pre-market, holding the VWAP. 30-minute, pre-market, still holding the VWAP. And on the hour, above the VWAP. So coming into it, I thought, this could be a good long, provided it holds the VWAP. It came down, it broke through right here, 5-minute. Look at that. It just came down, slammed down. I thought, okay, I didn't think about taking it long here, but once it came back, I thought about getting in right here. I missed it. I let it go a little bit, and I thought, well, this is technically a hammer, so I got in, and I got out. Then I saw it was gonna have, it just couldn't sustain that that strength going up. So I got all out here, bam. And I know Andrew did a trade around here where it broke through. So that was my first trade. That was a winner. My next trade, DPCH, this one was more of a guess. It was a mistake. I like this. I saw down here, it seems to be hugging down here. I thought if it breaks through, could have a nice fall. But then again, DPCH went up on good news, went from 20 to 40 something. It had its big fall here. I don't know, it might fall through, it might go up, it might just hang around here at this level. I don't know, but anyway, I got in too soon. I thought it would just potentially, I saw these two long candles. I thought, bam, it's gonna go down, but I was wrong. And this stock is it moves a lot, so I got out quick just in case it broke through the VWAP. In theory, I could have held, but even then, it looks more like it could have broke through right here. But in spite of all that, the resistance brought it down anyway, so I don't know where it'll be. But on to the trade of the day. It's our buddy ROKU. ROKU was looking like it was going to have another down day. See right here, after its massive run up, it had a couple down days. Looked like it was on its way to having another, but since this is ROKU and we know how ROKU trades, I was watching it. So I saw it down here. It seemed to come up, and then it kind of tested right around here. See this dotted line? That's the it was testing going green. So it was red down here. It started out green, went red. Then it was right around here around, is it going to be green? Is it going to be red? So it went red to green. It was actually still red here, but I anticipated it going green because of its activity. So I went long here, and I saw it pop. I got out a little bit at the VWAP. Got out a little bit more. It was hesitating here, and I just got out all along the way. Right here, I thought it's not going to break this moving average, and the 15 doesn't look all that great, at least at this time. So I thought that was a nice pop, but I don't think it's going to break it right now, and I'm glad I did as it went down a little bit. But yeah, that is my trade of the day, and thank you all for your time, and have a great rest of your day.